stop my workout.
Chicken wings in the air fryer. Hit your wings with a light layer of oil. Change their color with salt, pepper, paprika, and cayenne pepper.
Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and I hope you guys are doing well. Pastry is in the oven and the wings are now ready. Just did that with the air fryer. So beginning of this month I started a new job and it requires me to go to the office daily, so my routine has changed quite drastically. But yeah, and I'm super excited because there's been a package that's been waiting for me to unbox, and we're just gonna do that now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And also, we've made it to 1K subs, guys. Like, yo, you don't know the joy. Yeah, but thanks, guys, for the love. I'll try and push out more content. It's not gonna be easy because now I have a new job and try and make more time for that. But yeah, I appreciate the love and support, guys. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
Please scan the QR code for details. Network connection successful.
Okay, Eco.
Yes.
Hey Siri, stop my workout.
Ending your workout.
Morning guys, so the hike is done. I'm just gonna have breakfast. So the hike was not too bad, and after that I went to do some viewing to look at bikes, specifically mountain bikes, because I want to get into cycling just as a form of keeping active, because I no longer play squash. But I need to find something that's going to keep me active, and that's also fun. And if you guys have any suggestions, you can leave them in the comments. I don't know which entry level bikes are good for mountain cycling, but you guys can give me suggestions and I'll take it from there. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video and appreciate the love and support. Cheers guys.